Today we are going to talk about how to speak English fluently and confidently. First thing I would like to tell you that confidence is not like that which comes from birth. Confidence is a skill and skill always comes from practice. As how we learn dance, cooking, driving, or any other activities. Just like that, you have to work on your skill and your skill increase your confidence. If you really want to be confident, then you have to do practice. Do more and more practice. Today we are discussing about that how to do conversation with someone without any hesitation and with full confidence. So, while we talk to someone in English or having conversation with someone, sometimes we feel that we have no confidence and we feel hesitation to continue our conversation. So, what should we do to maintain our confidence? So, I'm sharing with you all some tips. First point is accept yourself, accept your faults, your mistakes. You have to accept that yes, I'm making mistakes and that's completely okay because these mistakes will improve your conversation. And second point is don't compare yourself. Mostly people face this problem when we see someone who is speaking very fluently in English, so we start compare ourselves with that person. It's not good. You don't need to compare yourself because it is just a skill and it can be learned by anyone. It's not a magic or not comes by birth. It is a skill and you can learn it by practice. And the next point is face your fear. If you really want to be fluent in English, then completely face your fear. What kind of fear you have while you are speaking, you have to face it. And my next point is practice. Do more and more practice to speak in English. Now come to the next point. Think about your small achievements. Always take some small steps daily and you'll get something big one day. If you like my tips, then please stay connected for more videos. Thanks for watching my video.